How to lubricate the drive shaft of a weed eater gas trimmer. Weed eater brand gas trimmers are lightweight, inexpensive and versatile tools that have become essential for the well-kept lawn. Gas trimmers can be used to mow, trim, sweep, scalp and edge your lawn, giving it a rich, manicured look. Weed eaters require occasional maintenance, including the lubrication of the drive shaft. This task does not take long to perform, but it is very important to the satisfactory operation of the tool. Things you will need: Weed eater brand gas trimmer, large clean tarp, Phillips head screwdriver, clean rag or paper towels, weed eater flex shaft lube. Turn the engine off and allow the gas trimmer to completely cool. Spread out the tarp on a clean surface. Lay the gas trimmer on the clean tarp. Loosen the two nose cone shroud screws, located on the upper front of the engine, by turning them counterclockwise with the Phillips head screwdriver. Set the screws aside. Pull the drive shaft housing away from the engine. Grasp the exposed drive shaft with one hand. Grasp the drive shaft housing with the other hand. Pull the drive shaft out of the drive shaft housing. Lay the drive shaft on the tarp. Inspect the drive shaft for broken wires or kinks in the cable. If breaks or kinks are found, the shaft needs to be replaced. Wipe the drive shaft with a clean cloth to remove dirt, debris and old grease. Open the tube of flex shaft lube. Coat the entire length of the drive shaft evenly with the lubricant. Inject any remaining lubricant into the drive shaft housing. Insert the drive shaft back into the drive shaft housing. Insert the drive shaft housing back into the engine. Place the two nose cone shroud screws back into place and tighten them securely by turning them clockwise with a Phillips head screwdriver. Tips: warnings. Lubricate the drive shaft after 10 hours of operation. Use only weed eater part number 952-701570 flex shaft lube. Use extreme caution when inspecting or wiping down the drive shaft. Broken wires can puncture skin and leave painful wounds. Handle the drive shaft carefully. Dirt and debris that may be picked up by the newly lubricated drive shaft can cause the trimmer to fail prematurely.